welcome back to my channel. This is part number 4 of the kitchen series, and today it's all about the sink. It was permanently glued in the original furniture. I do have a video about building and painting these. I do want to create a sink that is made out of marble, so I'm trying to paint the marble texture onto it. Before I do reassemble this, I give it a base coat of the beige color that the whole kitchen is covered in, and then I started to reassemble this, although the camera didn't want to catch it, only the last piece. Sadly, the sink didn't fit because of all the additional paints on the side, so I had to sand it off. After that, I do give it a last coat of the beige color. I do want to stick with the color scheme of the kitchen, so I do want the marble to be blue, although it might not be a natural color choice for a marble. The first color I'm using is a rose beige. I looked up some pictures of marble and I'm trying to mimic this by adding shaky lines, how I think marble would look like here on the sink. I'm trying to only find video footage where I show you the sink from the front. I hope to make it more comfortable for you so that you don't see the sink flipping and turning around in speed mode. The next color I'm using is the very light blue from the color scheme of the kitchen. I tried to follow some of the already painted lines, but also add some new lines. I thought something was missing, so I wanted to add some more colors. These are the colors that were all in the kitchen except the white and the pink. Don't ask me about the pink, something was telling me the pink will fit in perfectly. First I mixed white and black, and for me it really worked out. But still it looked empty and fake. So I used all the remaining colors, mixed them roughly together, stroked through it with a brush once, not mixing the colors completely. I've once heard that a human being can never be as random as nature is. Meaning, there's always an equal distribution of whatever you do in there. Statistics. Let's skip this. And then it was finally done. So let's give it some love. Although I was unsatisfied with it. It does fit into the color scheme and the aesthetics and etc. to the kitchen. Yes, it does. But something inside of me was screaming, no, it's not good enough. We need to change it. I started to Google and to YouTube how others may have done it. And I found this particular video. It was very helpful to me, but am I really brave enough? Obviously I am. Now I'm taking an old sponge that I've used for other projects, that's why there is dark color in there, and I'm destroying it a bit to get an unequal surface. You know, statistics and equal distribution and trying to be random. For the first 3 layers, I'm not going to stick with the color scheme of the kitchen. Obviously it is blue, but not the colors that I've used in the kitchen. Except the third one. This is the main color, the turquoise. Always after 3 layers of 3, always getting a little bit lighter layers. I'm adding a watered down solution of the main color, the turquoise, to blend all the colors together to match to the color scheme. And then the next 3 layers are coming. I also do cut the sponge a bit smaller to get a more distinct pattern. This time I'm starting with the second darkest color and getting lighter and lighter before I do add the watered down turquoise again. To get an even lighter blue, I do mix it with white. And now I'm trying to get a very distinct pattern, just in some areas. And you don't want to forget the watered down turquoise before the next 3 layers of getting lighter and lighter and more to white spots. And you can see the sponge is getting smaller and smaller. Add the turquoise main color again. I'm trying to dab some lines, some marble lines in there already, but only within the last few layers. I do like the effect this dabbing gives. And now we are almost done. We need to do one step. And it is the step that we have done in the first try, adding marble lines. We have practiced it for so many hours. Now it's finally time to use them. I am so glad I was brave enough to do that second try and do it all over again. I'm in love with the result. After it is all dried, let's seal it in with some glossy varnish. And for the final finish, I'm going to add a train. I'm going to paint it. I am not brave enough to drill in the sink to create a 3D looking hole and paint it on then. All my bravery for today is gone. And now, let's install it and give it what it deserves. A lot of love. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked it and you would like to give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Bye bye bye.